यानी मेरा सत श्री अकाल आदाब एंड हेलो वेलकम टू गपशप विद जलाल, आपका फेवरेट होस्ट जलाल लारक, ओनली ऑन पंजाबी नेशनल टीवी। आजकल जो सेल फोन का ज़माना है, अभी भी जो है अपना आईफोन 12 आया है जो कि 5G है। आपको याद होगा पहले जब नए नए फोन आए थे, इतने बड़े बड़े होते थे फोन, इतना बड़ा हम यहाँ पे रखते थे बक्कल करके, और इतने बड़े फोन होते, और इसका वजन भी इतना होता था जैसे 1 साल के बच्चे से भी भारी वजन होता था, इतना वजन होता था। लेकिन जब भी सेल फोन, जितना टाइम निकलते गया, सेल फोन जो है अपना मॉडर्न होते गए, इतने छोटे छोटे फोन आने लगे, फिर पेजर भी आने लगे, और आजकल का जो जमाना है इट्स ऑल आईफोन और सैमसंग। आप जहाँ कहीं देखें जो है हर जगह वही है, सारी ऐप्स होती है। आप जो है ऐप के ऊपर क्या नहीं कर सकते, आप अपना वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हैं, किसी को मैसेज भेज सकते हैं, बल्कि आप जो फोन भी कर सकते हैं, इतना उसमें एडवांस हो गया है। हमारे जो जगी पाजी हैं वो हमेशा सुबह उठ के पहले जो है अपना पंजाबी नेशनल टीवी का बैंक अकाउंट चेक करते हैं कि उसमें $10 मिलियन है कि नहीं है। अगर उससे $100 कम हो जाए तो वो मुझे फोन कर देंगे, यार मुझे $100 देना, मेरा 10 मिलियन से कम हो गया। तो वो हमारे खाली जगी पाजी हैं जो हमें पूछते हैं ऐसी बात कि उनका अकाउंट जो है 10 मिलियन से कम नहीं होना चाहिए। लेकिन हम जैसे हैं और आप जैसे हैं, रोज रोज इतनी मेहनत करते हैं और किस्सा कमाते हैं, वो तो हमें ही पता है। तो आज के जो मेरे गेस्ट हैं, मेरी बहुत अच्छी दोस्त है, आई नो हर फॉर इयर्स एंड इयर्स। जब से उन्होंने जो है गाना शुरू किया था, हमारी कैलगरी की है, हमारी कम्युनिटी से हैं, और आपकी भरपूर तालियों में यहाँ पे आएंगी वन एंड ओनली तंजील बैरानी।
Hello.
Yo.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm good.
चलो ये पंजाबी नेशनल टीवी है, हम पंजाबी में तो बात नहीं करेंगे, हम हिंदी और उर्दू और थोड़ी मिक्स में बात करेंगे।
मिक्स में बात कर सकते हैं।
चलेगा ना?
Yes, चलेगा।
तो तंजील, सबसे पहले वेलकम टू द शो, बड़ा अच्छा लगा।
Thank you for having me, and thank you to everyone for watching.
ये she is one of the artists कि जब भी मेरा कोई नया शो शुरू होता है, जैसे हमने जो है कॉफी विद जलाल शुरू किया था, she was there। जब भी हम कभी जो है अपना फंड रेजर करते हैं, so she is always there for us। So thank you so much for all your effort and
No, thank you.
everything
Thank you for
जो है
having me.
इतना volunteerism तुम करती हो, so congratulations on that। Thank you।
Thank you.
तो तंजील, म्यूजिक, गाना बजाना, तो ये जो तंजील का सफर कब से शुरू हुआ?
मेरा सफर I would say officially शुरू हुआ जब मैं 8 साल की थी।
Okay.
So I used to have a classical singing class in my school. I used to go to Karachi Grammar
तो
School.
वो कहाँ थी स्कूल?
वो स्कूल थी कराची में।
अच्छा, कराची पाकिस्तान।
हाँ,
Okay.
कराची में। So I used to have this class, और मेरे पेरेंट्स ने सोचा कि इसको हर क्लास में डाल देते हैं, इसको finally she'll figure out कि इसे क्या अच्छा लगता है।
क्या अच्छा लगता है?
तो उन्होंने मुझे इस क्लास में डाला, and I was so lucky that my teacher ended up being Afsha Ahmed, who is a very renowned artist of Pakistan, and she really instilled that that passion for singing and performing in me from a very young age.
Yeah.
And with Afsha auntie, I was so lucky that she chose me as one of the students that would go with her to her singing show. So she used to have a singing show called Gaon Mere Sang. और उसमें Afsha auntie गाती थी, and then उनके संग सारे बच्चे गाते थे।
जी।
So I was so lucky to be part of that show for 2 years, and that gave me a chance to really know how to work with people, how to look in front of the camera, how to smile, how to sing. I mean, imagine an 8-year-old child getting that kind of experience.
True, yeah.
So it really kind of changed everything for me.
Everything.
Yes.
तो हम जो हमारे जो देखने वालों को हम जो बताए चले, जो अफशा अहमद है, जब भी मैं था कराची में, उस वक्त जो है सुहेल राना का एक जो है म्यूजिकल शो आता था, तो अफशा अहमद उसमें स्टूडेंट हुआ करती थी।
Yes.
When she was जो है वेरी लिटिल, और उसका जो है बहुत ही फेवरेट गाना था, जो कि अभी तक मेरा फेवरेट गाना है। आई थिंक जो तुमको भी वो सॉन्ग पता है, कौन सा है वो?
Yes, I think you're talking about the song दोस्ती ऐसा नाता।
हाँ, तो हो जाए थोड़ा, आई नो, फिर तो बातें चलती रहेगी, थोड़ा गाना भी हो जाए।
Yes, of course.
2 लाइन प्लीज।
दोस्ती ऐसा नाता, दोस्ती ऐसा नाता, जो सोने से भी महंगा, जो सोने से भी महंगा, जो सोने से भी महंगा, जो सोने से भी महंगा। जहाँ रहो मिलके रहो, जहाँ रहो मिलके रहो, है यही तुमसे कहना, दोस्ती ऐसा नाता, जो सोने से भी महंगा, जो सोने से भी महंगा।
It's a beautiful lyrics.
Yes.
It's so true कि अच्छे दोस्त मिलना कितना मुश्किल है. It's so tough.
100%.
Right?
Yes.
तो जब भी म्यूजिक स्टार्ट होता है तो ऑफ कोर्स अभी जैसे कोई डांस परफॉर्म होता है तो कहीं म्यूजिक कोई सुनता है तो उसमें वो थोड़ी जो है अपना हलचल आ जाती है और डांस करना मूवमेंट शुरू हो जाती है ना. अभी जैसे हमारे जो अपना कैसे दीपक माना या इशिता कहीं जब म्यूजिक बजेगा तो उनकी जो मूवमेंट खुद भी शुरू हो जाएगी. दे आर सो इनटू इट. तो जब भी कहीं गाना शुरू होता है तो फिर तंजील की क्या होती है?
गाना शुरू होता है तो अगर मैं खड़ी भी होती हूँ तो my feet start tapping या मेरे हाथ हिलना शुरू होते हैं. Anytime, anything, even if it's a song that a genre that I don't listen to, I will just start moving. But I honestly think that वो सबके साथ होता है जब गाने बजते हैं.
Yes, no doubt.
And even if you see a really good dance performance, the same thing happens.
Yeah. So like as they say कि music has no religion or no boundaries. So तो तुम ये believe करती हो because especially in Canada, especially in Calgary, because we are जो है हमारे South Asian community, they are all so kind of together. We know each other very well. तो कहीं भी कोई प्रोग्राम होता है, you are there, I am there as well. Doesn't matter कि वो हमारी community का है कि नहीं. तो म्यूजिक ऑफ कोर्स जो अपने एक दूसरे से जो है मिलाती भी है. तो तुम्हारा जो इस बारे में क्या ख्याल है? म्यूजिक से क्या मिलता है तुमको? व्हाट डू यू गेट आउट ऑफ द म्यूजिक?
आई थिंक जब मैं परफॉर्म करती हूँ तो मुझे I feel like I begin to understand my audience better. Like it just brings you closer to them as humans, even without knowing कि वो क्या करते हैं, उनकी जिंदगी में क्या चल रहा है. Even when it comes to the musicians that I sing with, there's so many I still don't know what work they do. I have no idea, and I've known them for years because my connection with them is just different. And I think overall, music makes me feel closer to the creator. Like especially when I'm singing devotional music or even listening to devotional music, it's just I'm in another trance state, and that's what music gives me, just an outlet to leave this world and just to be in ibadat, really. That is music.
I mean that's what devotional music is, right?
Yes.
So अभी जब से pandemic start हुआ, since March and everything, the world has changed now. जो artists so now they are catching up to the social media. Now you see almost every day दुनिया में कहीं भी there is a Facebook live जा रहा है या तो YouTube live जा रहा है. तो इससे of course there are so much जो है positivity, because of the pandemic. Artists they are on the stage now. तो what about the तंजील, जब भी पैंडेमिक स्टार्ट हुआ तो फिर तंजील में क्या चेंजेस आई और what do you want to catch up now?
जब पैंडेमिक स्टार्ट हुआ एक्चुअली मैं यहाँ पे थी भी नहीं. I was in Tanzania and I got a call that COVID has happened and you need to come back. And within 2 days, I was on a flight back to Canada across 3 continents. So I'm really glad I was safe. But I had to come in quarantine for 14 days. और वो 14 days में honestly पहले मुझे लगा कि मेरे पास कुछ भी नहीं है करने के लिए. But then when I was talking to one of my co-singers, Sam, and we were just thinking that why not we create our own song and kind of bring hope. क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिनको फील हो रहा है कि this they don't like this isolation. There's people who are away from their families. So we thought that we should make a song to make them feel that you're not alone. We're all in this together. And we somehow wanted to bring in like a faith aspect in it, which we ended up bringing too. I think out of COVID, that was the best thing that I got because I wrote my own song and it was like a lot of people really loved it and it made me kind of gain a little bit of confidence that I'm a singer, but maybe I can also be a good lyricist or someone who can come up with a nice tune. And then besides that, obviously there was like a lot of international collaborations within the community, outside of the community, live shows. I performed for shows in Dubai and Florida and so many different places that you wouldn't have been able to go to.
Exactly. किसी भी कोने से you can
exactly और सब सुन रहे थे like वो अपने in the comfort of their homes और मैं in the comfort of my home, we could communicate across boundaries like music does.
So like when you do a cover song or when you do a kind of your original song, तो what's the difference और उससे क्या फायदा होता है?
I think जब आप एक cover करते हैं तो the best part about it is you are able to bring your own little feel to it. Like for example, when we did the cover of Noor Khuda, a lot of people told us that the cover was very different from the original song because it was how we felt Noor Khuda, right? But I think ultimately the best way to express yourself is through an original song. Because no one has ever heard it, so no one has a standard to compare it to.
Right.
You are the standard. And then when people hear that, your emotions really come out in that song because you've written it and you feel it from your core to be able to present it.
Yeah, because I get a chance to जो है interview अपने ये जो है सलीम मर्चेंट है या तो रज़ा अली खान साहब है या तो राहत फ़तेह अली खान साहब है, तो उनसे बात करने से ये पता चला कि जब भी आप जो है कवर करते हो एटलीस्ट उसमें थोड़ा कुछ जो है डिफरेंट होना चाहिए. अगर डिफरेंट नहीं होगा तो then you'll be lost in a rush.
Exactly. कोई फायदा ही नहीं है.
हाँ, तो जो है रश में गुम हो जाओ, पता नहीं चलेगा. अगर थोड़ा डिफरेंट करोगे तो वो थोड़ा स्टैंड आउट हो जाएगी. ओ तंजील ने ये वाला किया, इसमें ये डिफरेंट, उसमें कोई एक आलाप अलग ले लो या कुछ भी डू समथिंग डिफरेंट ताकि थोड़ा स्टैंड आउट हो जाए. So then you feel okay, this is my song. ये जो कवर में ये this is it is cover but it is my way.
It's
my style. Exactly. तो यहाँ पे आके कैसा लग रहा है फिलहाल so far?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. Yes, मैं लास्ट टाइम जब टीवी शूट पे आई थी तो मैं 10 years की थी. 10 years? So it's been a long time.
तो वो 2 साल पहले की बात है.
नहीं, unfortunately I'm not 12 years old. Thank you though. I know I look very young.
तो हमारी तो बातें जो है चलती रहेगी. आप देखना जो है मत भूलिएगा. मिलते हैं ब्रेक के बाद. आप देख रहे हैं गपशप विद जलाल ओनली ऑन पंजाबी नेशनल. थैंक यू. जी वेलकम बैक टू गपशप विद जलाल विद योर होस्ट जलाल लारक. तो तंजील आपने जब से पेंडिंग स्टार्ट हुआ यू जस्ट मेंशन के like you started to learn or you want to get into the devotional music. Why is that?
Well, actually, bringing back to, there was an interview that Salim Merchant had actually given, where he had been, he had met His Highness the Aga Khan, who had actually told him that you should focus on devotional music because it's timeless.
Timeless.
And when I heard that, I actually reflected and I realized all the really old songs I listen to, and a lot of them are qawwalis by Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan Sahab. They're all so timeless. Even now when he says anything, I feel it. Even today, with no context of what he was singing it in. इस वजह से मुझे लगता है कि devotional music जो है वो और वो सबसे connect होता है. Because everybody, most people in the world, they think that there is someone up there, whoever it is, and whichever religion they're a part of, but they can still connect to the Creator and a divine energy.
ये तो उसकी feeling अलग होती है, wasn't it?
Exactly.
You know, अभी हम देखते हैं जैसे आपदा परवीन जी हैं, या तो of course जो नुसरत फतेह अली खान साहब,
and in Bollywood even Richa Sharma when she sings the songs like Mere Maula Karam and things like that, it just touches your soul.
Yeah, because I remember जब ये वो 1.5 साल पहले आई थी Calgary I think, and you were there as well. Thanks to Coffee with Jalal show.
Yes, I was there because of you.
जी. तो ये मार्च में of course like अभी जैसा तुमने म्यूजिक में you try to upgrade yourself. और क्या तुमने अपग्रेड किया? मे बी तुमने जो है अपना कुकिंग स्टार्ट कर दी होगी या you do like other stuff?
So actually, I know you didn't ask about music, but even in music, because सारे recording studios are सब बंद थे and we couldn't meet anyone. I actually invested in my own equipment to have at home. So a lot of the songs that I released during the pandemic, on a lot of the pre-recorded shows I did, I actually did it myself. So it was all like learning from YouTube, and obviously I had some help from my friends who kind of guided me through it. But that is a skill that I would always be like, oh, I'll think about it later when I have time, when I have time. But now it was like I had to do it, otherwise I couldn't put my product out there. So that was one thing that really happened. I also think I really had time to spend with my family. Like quality time. You know, we would all sit together, we would pray together, we would watch movies together. It was just a really good time to be together. Cooking, I wish I took more seriously, but because mom and my sister were home, I never actually had to ever cook. But I'd say just skills like those, and I started like reading a little bit more. So just things that I was always pushing aside, I had a chance to do more of.
Like last week, I was talking to one of my friend from Indian Idol, Manya Narang. She was in the Indian Idol season 9. So now she is a producer now. She started as a singer in Indian Idol. In 2-3 years now she's a producer. उसका खुद का स्टूडियो है. She creates her own music. Then I see the other artists, जैसे हमारे जो हैं जो अपने हराज पंडित, तो वो भी like he's working with Salim Merchant, but he is a big part of the जो SS Live as well. But he does so much. तो is this a new trend for the young generation कि हमें गाना भी आता है, let's learn some instrument or let's start music sound. अभी जैसे तुमने देखा कि तुमने खुद का पूरा घर में स्टूडियो बना लिया. Is this a new trend now?
You know, I think that people have appreciated this from a very long time. But finally, I think for us, we are blessed that we have the resources for us to be able to do it. Like in the past, a lot of people probably were like, oh, I wish I could do this. I wish I could do this. But now, you know, you can just, you're just a click away from Amazon and you can record your studio equipment.
True.
A click away from YouTube and you can learn how to run a recording software. So I think that it is a new trend now, because we have the resources available to us. And it's so important to be an all-rounder. Like even me, myself, sometimes I wish that I took my piano lessons more seriously when I was a little kid. Because then you don't need to depend on anybody. You're just a one-man band, basically.
So, you know, अभी जैसे तुमने कहा कि अपना one-man kind of band. So, do you play any instrument now, or कि still you are going?
Well, I know how to play like the clarinet and flute, but you know, you can't really play and sing at the same time. And I never thought about that until way later in my life, that maybe I should have learned something that I can sing along with. But I did take piano lessons when I was little. So now I'm building on it. I'm actually like self-learning and I have a long ways to go. But that's definitely something that I want to work on.
So you know, because I remember, you know, when जो Salim Merchant came, जो first time like in Cali 5 years ago, तो उनका यही कहने का था कि अपना music start from the classical music, like tabla है, sarangi है, sitar है. Is that true? Do you believe in that?
100%. I think classical music is the foundation
of any music.
Of any music, honestly, even Western music. If you know, because your classical music is like, it's refining your vocal cords. It's making you have a sense of pitch and tone. That's going to help you in any music that you perform. You could perform pop music and be an amazing pop artist because you know classical music. Like it's just the base of everything. And the ragas that you learn in classical music, you can use those to make new tunes for people to follow along. So yeah, most definitely, it's the base of music.
So like, did you riyaz, or do you still learning ragas every day, or like?
So I do riyaz. I have been a little lazy lately because of school, but I think ideally it's nice to do riyaz every single day. You should do it for an hour, honestly. It makes a huge difference. Your voice refines like crazy if you do riyaz every day for that long. Before I have any shows or performances, I do it. I did it before I came here too. So it's very important. And then once in a while, when you have a teacher, when I was learning classical music more actively, you learn ragas, and now when you get an idea of it, you can actually even learn ragas without having a teacher. But I'm not there yet. I'm gonna be. I'm not there yet, but I hope to be.
So you know, when you came to my show, like my Coffee Jalal show last, so you know that time I think कि तुमने वो अपना गाया था रेशमा जी का song, कौन सा था वो?
Yes, Lambi Judai.
तो हो जाए आज थोड़ा 2-3 लाइन हो जाए please.
Yes, of course. It's one of my favorite songs.
Yes.
So this is by Reshma from the movie Hero.
Hero, yes.
Yeah. बिछड़े अभी तो हम बस कल परसों जीऊंगी मैं कैसे इस हाल में बरसों मौत ना आई मौत ना आई तेरी याद क्यों आई है लंबी जुदाई 4 दिनों दा प्यार ओ रब्बा बड़ी लंबी जुदाई लंबी जुदाई.
वाह माशाल्लाह, क्या बात है. म्यूजिक की तो जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ी. माशाल्लाह, क्या बात है. ब्यूटीफुल. यू नो जी, जैसे ये रेशमा जी हैं, या तो लता जी है, आशा जी है, या तो फरीदा खानम जी है, मेहदी हसन साहब, उनका सुन के कैसी फीलिंग आती है? गूज़बम्स तो मुझे अभी भी आ गए सीरियसली.
I think उनका जो आर्ट है, like you said, they don't need music. Their voices are their organs. And I think कि वो अपने दिल से गाते हैं. And you feel like when I listen to Lambi Judai, I actually feel like I am in the movie and my lover is so far away from me. They just take you in that time when they sing like this. You know, it touches your soul.
Because I remember, you know, I think, you know, one of the award show जो आतिफ असलम ने उसने परफॉर्म किया था रेशमा जी के सामने ये गाना,
Yeah.
पीपल वर क्राइंग, लिटरली दे वर क्राइंग, यू नो, इतनी
Yeah.
गाने में इतनी वो शिद्दत है, इतना इमोशन है, यू नो, मेक्स यू क्राई. क्या बात.
Yeah.
ब्यूटीफुल सॉन्ग, यू नो, दोस लेजेंड्स, दैट्स व्हाई वी आर स्टिल हियर, मी एंड यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इट. तो
Yeah.
हमारा जो दाल पानी चल रहा है उन्हीं की वजह
Yeah,
से, you know.
their music was timeless.
Just timeless,
Yeah.
no doubt, no
Yeah.
doubt. तो टाइम है हमारा जो है रैपिड फायर राउंड का.
Okay.
You know, it's always a fun to do a rapid fire round.
Yes.
And so I'm hoping for some answer with spice and fire. Are you ready?
Yeah, I hope so.
Okay, so who is your favorite Bollywood male singer?
I'd say I have a couple. I'd say Arijit Singh, Sonu Nigam,
Okay,
Atif
Arijit.
Aslam.
Okay, Arijit Singh. उनका कोई favorite song?
All of his songs.
Which one?
All the love songs. You know, I was obsessed with the Ashiki 2 songs.
Go
so
for it.
Oh, okay. सुन रहा है ना तू,
This is your favorite, I know.
रो रही हूँ मैं, सुन रहा है ना तू, क्यों रो रही हूँ मैं.
You know, about this song, of course, I've just seen जो live, जो भी हमारा अपना जो fundraiser में किया था, your voice and Rahim Rajan's drum on this song. Oh my God, Rahim is the
He's
best.
amazing.
Rahim Rajan,
Yeah,
amazing.
he really is.
Okay, favorite Bollywood female singer?
Shreya Ghoshal.
Shreya Ghoshal, yes.
Yes.
Favorite singer in Calgary, male or female?
Calgary. I would say Sam. I sing with him
Sam.
a lot, and he's very talented.
Yeah, why
Yes.
not? Yeah. Okay, childhood crush?
Hrithik Roshan.
यार ये इतना common क्यों है Hrithik Roshan?
Well, he's such a good dancer. You know, I'm not a good dancer, so when I see a good dancer, I really have to appreciate it.
Do you ever practice dance? Like कभी क्या?
Well, I take like Zumba classes,
Ah,
but no one is
ah.
allowed to see me.
Any rumors about yourself? कभी ऐसी सुनी हो तुमने?
Well, I would say that when you are in the lamplight and when you do sing, there is obviously
Always
there is obviously some negatives, but
Yeah.
it's okay.
It's okay. You know what? उससे positive लेके motivate yourself.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Haters
yeah.
are my motivation.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, 3 things in your bucket list.
The first one is to be able to do Hajj.
MashaAllah.
Since I was a kid, I've always wanted to do that with my parents, so hopefully I can go with my family soon, inshallah. I would love to sing for Coke Studio Pakistan. That's a
yes,
dream.
everyone's dream.
Yes, everyone's dream. And the third would be, you know, knowing the impact that music has made on me and my life, how I interact with people, my confidence. I would like to make a music school for girls, actually, in an area, maybe like northern Pakistan or something, where, you know, the women can really be empowered and, you know, really take from it.
Very nice, very nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so describe in one word for like the following dance groups in Calgary, okay?
Okay.
Pinky Classical.
Pinky. I would say energy. Yeah, energy.
Ishita from Madhuban.
Spice.
Spice, yes. Nisha Chawla.
I'd say collaboration.
Collaboration, yeah, she does, yeah. Deepak?
Again,
Deepak
lots of
Mani,
energy, lots of creativity.
Okay,
Yeah.
so describe one word for these following artists.
Okay.
Okay, Farhan Shah from our community.
The Farhan Shah.
The
Sufi
Farhan
King.
Shah, Sufi King. Okay, Farah Mitha.
Firefly.
Farah,
Yeah, I'm
yes,
sure she
yes,
would love
yes,
that.
yes, yes. And your buddy Sam Ram.
Extremely talented musician.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes. And
Yeah.
Salma Jadhav ji.
Phenomenal painter. She painted this one painting with horses, and I think it was years ago, but I'm still like, it's still in my head. So phenomenal painter.
Awesome, awesome. Okay, what would you do if you meet Shah Rukh Khan? Or like, you know, what would you ask?
Well, how to stay relevant?
I
How
know.
to stay relevant after so long?
Big B?
Maybe chat about his father's poetry.
That's
Maybe
what he
get some
does. He
inspiration
does.
from that.
He does, yeah. Okay. Alia Bhatt?
Some acting tips. I think her progression was like insane. I think she's like most progressed.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. Varun Dhawan?
Oh,
Or
teach me
Hrithik
how to
Roshan.
dance.
Hrithik Roshan. I'll give you
Teach me
Hrithik
how to
Roshan.
dance,
I know,
please.
right?
Yeah.
That's right. अच्छा कभी जो ख्वाब आते
अच्छे होते हैं लेकिन
अच्छा
usually हाँ
वो
होते
कभी
हैं।
डर के नहीं उठी कभी वो डरावना
जब
नहीं
मैं
आता
बहुत छोटी थी तो मुझे बहुत अजीब ख्वाब आते थे।
मसलन फॉर
मतलब
एग्जांपल
जैसे मैं सो रही हूँ और ऊपर से हाथी गिर जाए। really
अरे
crazy
पता क्या
stuff.
like this is really weird or funny जब भी ख्वाब में जब भी अपना जो है अपना के डरावने ख्वाब आते हैं ना
हाँ
तुमने भाग नहीं सकते you cannot run
yeah
ये ऐसा क्यों होता है like आप भी जो सब ट्राई करना जब भी आपको ख्वाब आएंगे अगर आप डर के भाग रहे हो तो आप भाग नहीं सकोगे पैर ही नहीं हिलेंगे
Yeah, I think with my dreams the funniest is मुझे हमेशा लगता है कि कोई मुझे फोन कर रहा है और मैं वो फोन उठा नहीं सकती, बट वो एक्चुअली मेरी अलार्म होती है.
अच्छा, ओके.
और मैं कभी भी अलार्म से नहीं उठती क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कोई मुझे मेरे ख्वाबों में फोन कर रहा है, and I'm always like, oh, I need to go like answer this phone, and I don't know what it is, but it happens quite a lot.
Okay, best dish your mom cook?
Curry khao se.
Curry khao se.
Yes.
Okay, best dish you cook so far?
I can actually make really good like stir fry and udon noodles.
My
like
favorite, yeah. Okay, because like you've been to Africa, like in East Africa, तो हमारा program वहाँ भी लोग देखेंगे. So what do you miss? Like 3 things you miss about like in East Africa.
Well, I miss the hospitality in the people. They just take you in with, you know, open arms. So I miss that. I miss the food. There's so much food there, like mishkaki and nundu and shrimp and ribs, and it's really good. So I miss that. And the third, I think I miss the weather, the beach, the palm trees.
Yes, I've seen your pictures when you were at the beach. Yeah, that's right. So you know, okay, yeah, that was your rapid fire round.
Okay,
you did an amazing job. I didn't push you. You know, I didn't put you in a kind of in a tough situation. Acha, so you know, like if I ask you next 3 to 5 to 10 years, तो अभी तंजील क्या करने वाली है? What are you thinking?
Just generally, I just started law school, so for the next 5 years, that's going to be my life, I think, from a professional standpoint.
Right.
But as a singer, I think I would want to work more on original music, now that I'm understanding how different you feel with original music. So work on original music, collaborate more with artists. With the pandemic especially, everyone's gotten really close together. The networking has really gone up. So just work on with more international artists, kind of just like, I think set a higher standard now.
Because you want to move up, right? Because you want to move up. You know, you want to get better each and every show, each and every item, or each and every. I think that's I think, you know, that's the way to go. Right?
Yeah, and obviously refine my skills when it comes to like technical skills of music. I would also want to do that. Maybe pick up an instrument, get better at it, production side of things.
I think like the way the world is moving, तुमको जितना आएगा इतना कम है.
Exactly.
You can sing, तुम बजा सकती हो, sound भी करो, produce भी करो, mix भी करो. I think that's the way to go, ताकि you don't depend on anyone. आजकल जैसे हालात हैं, and after you get more experience from all your people around you.
And you never know how, like, you know, there's so many times when I have gotten opportunities because I've connected with somebody because of music, even though the opportunity had nothing to do with music. So it just makes you a more like a well-rounded person in general.
So of course, you know, like, you know, we are based in Calgary. तो जो Calgary community का जो support कैसा है तंजील के लिए?
Oh, it's wonderful. I think around the world, Calgary probably has the best support for artists. There's radio shows, there's Red FM that does so much for artists. Your show does a lot. I will say you have helped me a lot throughout, so thank you so much. But I think you guys you guys support people from everywhere, so obviously you will support your local artists.
First,
So many shows that come up. I mean, during the year, especially when the pandemic was not going on, there's a show literally every weekend, right? There's a lot of support for artists.
Wow.
I would say I think I'm very lucky to be in Calgary as an artist.
Oh, no, you know, that's great. It's good to hear. So it's about to finish our show now. तो यहाँ पे आके कैसा लगा? How was your experience here?
Oh, it was wonderful. Yes, I had a lot of fun.
A lot of fun. आधा घंटा कहानी के लिए पता भी नहीं चला.
Yeah, exactly. पता भी नहीं चला.
So it's time for selfie now.
Yes, let's take one.
Let's take a selfie. Ajo, madam. 1, 2, 3. There you go. So Tanzil, all the best to you and your family.
Thank
stay
you so
safe
much.
and stay healthy.
Thank you.
तो guys, ये था आज का हमारा शो गपशप विद जलाल विद वन एंड ओनली ये तंजील बैदानी. तो आप देखते रहिए और सपोर्ट करते रहिए पंजाबी नेशनल टीवी. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you for watching.